Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurdiwada. In this video, we will talk about directives and what are the different types of directives we have in Angular. So let me quickly jump into one more slide. Here, if you see what are directives. Directives are simply like a classes which are decorated by using a directive decorator, and this class helps us to add some additional features to the elements in Angular. By using this directive, we can add at any element or at any component. You can apply some set of changes and it will make some additional changes to the current element where you are applying this directive. And these directives help us to create the reusable UI content and apply at any type of element or at any point of time. So that's about your directives, and that is the purpose of directives. Now let me go with the next slide. So what are the different types of directives? So if you see here, we have different types of directives, and that directives are built-in directives. Coming to the built-in directives, what are the things which comes under built-in is you can use ng for ng switch, or you can consider ng style, ngClass, ngModel. All this comes under the built-in directives which we have already used in our previous videos. So you can check out for built-in directives in my previous videos like ngStyle, ngClass. All these videos I'll provide the link in the description as well, so you can check out that built-in directives. Coming to the attribute directives, attribute directives are applying some set of styles or applying some set of behavior for a particular directive by passing an attribute. For example, if you want to change a color and you want to pass some set of data, and based on the data it has to change the elements behavior or the UI elements. To change the UI elements and their behavior, you can use attribute directive. There are some other things like structural directives, ng for, ng switch. These are called as structural directives. If you want to create custom structural directive, you can create them. These are mainly focused on the logical part. For example, if you see ng for, it will loop the content. Its motto or its way of execution is looping the elements and showcasing them in the UI. So that is about your structural directives. That means it will do some logical stuff on the particular elements. And there is something like composition directive. This is a new way of directives which came in Angular. That is nothing but you can combine some set of directives and you can use them as a single directive. That also I have explained in my previous videos. I will provide the link in the description. Please watch that for understanding. So now we will be covering the attribute directives and structural directives in my upcoming videos. Please stay tuned for this type of directives. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.